all the Buddhas, the Emperor of China picked this one to make a temple in Beijing.
所以你看这么多佛陀，想象阿弥陀佛这么多佛，是不是？可是乾隆皇帝为什么选他来建这个雍和宫？就是他是特别的。
So, please repeat after me.
现在他念，你们跟住后面念。
Migme,
明
Zeve,
这位
Derchin,
德行
Cherenzik,
，Cherry
Drime, Kempe,
天配
Wangbo,
王婆
Jambeyang,
张培阳
Dume,
杜美
Chiwa,
七瓦
Jungse,
中世
Tsepa Ne,
切帕美
Ganchen,
感谢
Kebe,
揭背
Zuchen,
出现
Tsongkapa,
宗喀巴
Losan,
罗萨
Chakpe,
卡贝
Shabla,
沙拉
Sowande,
苏瓦德
Migme,
密美
Zeve,
这位
Derchin,
德真
Cherenzik,
千日子
Drime,
局面
Chempe,
前辈
Wangbo,
王伯
Jambeyang,
长辈人
Dume,
卢美
Chiwa,
七瓦
Jungse,
中世
Tsepa,
切帕美
Ganchen,
感情
Kebe,
揭背
Zuchen,
出现
Tsongkapa,
宗喀巴
Losan,
罗萨
Chakpe,
长辈
Shabla,
沙拉
Sowande.
苏瓦德
That's the second time.
这个是第二次。
The third time, think you have received the mantra in your body and you have the permission to practice it.
这个第三次的时候，当师傅念的时候，你们在念的时候，你们想这个经文已经进入你们的身体，然后你们已经得到上师的允许，你们可以念下去，以
This
后
one,
可以做了。
this one a little different than a normal Tsongkapa. This is a long life one.
这个是不是我们普通的宗喀巴？它有两个经文嘛，这个是长寿的。
Third time.
这第三次你们是观想那经文进入你们身体。
Migme,
密美
Zeve,
这位
Derchin,
德真
Cherenzik,
千日子
Drime,
局面
Chempe,
前辈
Wangbo,
王伯
Jambeyang,
长辈人
Dume,
卢美
Chiwa,
七瓦
Jungse,
中世
Tsepame,
切帕美
Ganchen,
感情
Kebe,
揭背
Zuchen,
出现
Tsongkapa,
宗喀巴
Losan,
罗萨
Chakpe,
长辈
Shabla,
沙拉
Sowande.
苏瓦德
Good. Second mantra.
这是第二个经文啊，刚才是第一个，现在是第二个。
So that first one they do 21 times a day.
所以这个刚才他念的是你每一天念21次就好了。
This next one as much as possible.
现在他给你的，你念越多越好。
Om Ah,
嗡阿
Guru,
咕噜
Benza.
本萨
I'm sorry. Om Ah,
嗡阿
Guru,
Guru,
Sumati,
Sumati,
Kipti,
基地
Aparameda,
阿玛拉维达
Ayu,
Ayu,
Jana,
加纳
Siddhi,
西里
Hong Hong.
嗡嗡
Om Ah,
嗡阿
Guru,
咕噜
Sumati,
苏玛蒂
Kipti,
基地
Aparameda,
阿巴拉维达
Ayu,
阿尤
Jana,
加纳
Siddhi,
西里
Hong Hong.
嗡嗡
Om Ah,
嗡阿
Guru,
Guru,
Sumati,
苏玛蒂
Kipti,
基地
Aparameda,
阿巴拉维达
Ayu,
阿尤
Jana,
加纳
Siddhi,
西里
Hong Hong.
嗡嗡
Before we met, these 2 days, we had a lot of problems and a lot of difficulties.
当我们在今天我们还没有意见之前，这2天来，我们有很多困难跟那个种种的障碍。
Even coming here, I was a lot of pain and quite sick.
我来到这边，我身体承受到很大的痛，也是生病。
And yesterday and today, lots and lots and lots of problems.
昨天跟今天还是很多很多的障碍。
In Buddhism,
在佛教，
we believe
我们相信，
that the difficulty you will go through
那个障碍你要经过的，
may come to me,
朝向我身上，
so you don't have to suffer.
所以你不用在你手术的时候，你不用承担这个障碍。
So we believe that if we can wish and pray for other people suffering come to us.
如果我们相信，我们的愿意可以我们在做我们的愿意，然后我们化心，别人的痛苦还是让我来承受。
So these 2-3 days,
所以这2-3天
I've been not well,
我不舒服，
and also a lot of problems.
还有种种的困难，
May this experience clear your obstacle.
让我这个经验解决你的障碍，
May your problem come to me.
你的问题来到我身上。
So these 3 days, the problem I experience, may it clear your problem.
所以这2-3天来的经验，希望它可以解决掉你的事。
Again, why?
然后为什么？
To repay your kindness.
因为我要还你们的恩。
Very simple.
很简单。
Now you have to go to doctor at 5:30, isn't it?
现在你们5点半是要去见医生是吗？
马上去，Yeah, I have to go now.
So now I don't hold you anymore. I'll give you a gift. All of you go to the hospital. Then give me the good news very soon.
所以我现在不会把你们留下来，我只是会给你们一些礼物，然后你们去医院接你的好消息，一定没有事的。
Yes, give me the good news very soon. This one's for her to use and to recite after she comes out.
这个是给你，当你从动手术出来，你可以开始用了。
This one you explain to them. Today before the operation, this one put in water. Just has Miss Kuan drink a little bit and think about what I talked about. Drink a little bit and then go for operation. After the operation, when she can drink, every day drink from the water a little bit from there. This is very important, tell her.
这个米呢，然后你在动手术之前呢，要把这个米放在一个瓶子冲水，然后在动手术前你一定要尽量喝一点点。来动手术之后呢，每天都尽量要喝一点点，这是非常非常重要的。
Just a little.
这样喝一点点就好。
Has she started her fasting?
你已经开始节食了吗？
Not yet. Tell her take one now.
现在马上吃。
Think about Je Tsongkapa. Take one. Bite and swallow.
观想这
然后
个，
观想中个吧，然后观想刚才。
This is from the oracle.
这是从护法那边得到的米呀，然后吞下去。
Think about Je Tsongkapa.
观想中个吧，
And bite it and swallow. Think everything okay.
啊，咬，然后吞下去，然后想全部都会没问题。
Good. And this one, tell her to keep near her, can keep in her wallet or keep near her operation area, meaning in the hospital. This one.
这靠近你，在医院手术室，尽量靠近你每一天。
Tell her some people give me the picture they took 10, 15 years ago. But she looked exactly the same. Very nice.
很多人就是给照片的时候都给15、20年前的照片，那我这个照片很漂亮。
Yeah. See this one. You get it all. Tell them they use this picture of me. Tell.
这个呢，我们是学生用这张仁波切的照片。
No more saying.
现在都不一样了，这是以前的照片。
So this rice, ask her to also keep.
那这个米呢，你自己冲起来，这是跟刚才那个一样，就是要冲水。
Ask Miss Kuan, help her. Irene, you help her on that.
Yeah.
You know what to do, right?
Yeah.
Help her. And are you Buddhist?
你是佛教徒吗？
哦，
Maybe.
有的是不是很，
虔诚。
哎，对，
Not the sincere type. Please.
Oh, like me?
像他一样。
Me, you say. Tell her I'm going to give him some gifts today.
今天仁波切要送你一个礼物。
From today, become sincere.
那今天开始要成为一个虔诚的佛教徒。
嗯
This one is you and me saying black, become white. You explain to her.
这个代表呢，那之前是仁波切可能都是黑色的，那之后要变成是白色一样。
Okay, this one's for you. This is a pearl mala for her to pray. Je Tsongkapa.
那这是一个珍珠的那个珠链，然后给你向中国爸做祷告。
The lady next one also thinking, will I get one or not?
对，我也是在努力学习，刚刚初步开始。
他问你是不是想也要得到一串念珠
Tell her, Miss Greedy also get one.
他说你这个贪心的小姐也会得到一串念珠。
This one for her to pray Tsongkapa. If she don't want to pray, also can wear, look nice.
如果你不想做经文呢，你可以拿大也是很漂亮。
This for her.
这是给你的。
I need this one.
你们如果要出去啊，不要三跪啊。
This is for the man
你给他这
who
个
picked
这
me
个
up
卡巴，
on the shoulder.
你
这是给
谢谢。
关先生，就是时常
不要跪啊，不要跪下啊，知道吗？
He get ready.
你想准备要接受礼物。
He have to have one.
你一定要拿东西。
Of course must have one. From the Lama, have one.
接受过一次。
我们这样走着，不可以跪。我们要见人去拍很多次，知道吗？你们听懂啊？
This one for him.
不用跪，就直接这样给他，直接给这个他，
算可以
来走出来。这样我们的
我知道就是弯，对，以后就等于
这样没有机会，我没有机会见到他了。
What she say?
She said she pretend that when they leave, no need to kneel down in the street.
Oh no. And also, we meet. I'm already happy.
他如去说，我们大家见面，他已经非常开心了。
When she's well, ask her if she can read.
当你好了之后呢，请读这本书。
When she's well,
当你康复之后
when，she's well, tell her don't read before she's well.
你还没康复之前，千万不要读这本书，
Because I'm very direct.
因为罗切很直接，里面的教导很直接。
Any questions?
有什么问题吗？
如果你们要谢谢 Rinpoche， 你们就去他的面前给这个卡达他，叫他